Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Time runs so fast. Right now it's the middle of December and I definitely know tomorrow will be Christmas and New Year's Eve. So better share my outfit now with you. I definitely love to dress up during Christmas time and just feeling a little bit more special than usual. So that really matters to me, just being a little bit more than every day. And it really depends on my mood what I select to wear, but often it's a special dress or a simple dress with some extra add-ons, like the boots I'm showing you today. Of course, I will show you the total outfit while I'm walking outside. There's a little bit snow outside, so let's see if that happens. So I will try it for you. So I selected vinyl boots, thigh-high vinyl boots or patent leather. They are extremely shiny, extremely long, and that's the reason why I select a simple dress. So when I want to look a little bit more like Santa, I would select my red ones, but they are pretty special and pretty intense. So most of the time I go for the elegant version, and that would be my black ones. So most of the time you just get knee-high ones or over-the-knee ones, and this is really thigh-high. So you just have this little nylon spot to see. So it's a short dress, but I just love that you nearly have no space between the boots and the skirt or the dress. So I try to really focus on the boots and keep the rest simple. So not too much jewelry. The hair is just very sleek and out of my way. So otherwise I would look like a Christmas tree. So even with some earrings, it looks like a Christmas tree. You can trust me. So it's time to go outside, and after that I will show you the red boots also. So hope you like the scenes in the snow. I think it's just perfect for the season. And now you see the red version. It's time for me to be Santa. So I'm wishing you all a wonderful Christmas time with your families and friends and just your loved ones, and maybe some pretty nice presents, but after all, just a wonderful time together. So I would love to say thank you for all of your support, for your nice comments, for your thumbs up, for your subscription. So I really enjoyed the time with you together, and I have a lot of plans for the next year. So I'm looking forward to that. So please let me know if you like to get more of these kind of outfit suggestions or inspirations. And yeah, maybe you will see this outfit with the red or the black boots also on social media. So take care and see you. Oh, and have fun with the outtakes. There are some. Maybe I'm not really awake. Enjoy. So let's go outside, and after that you will see me in my red boots. Okay. No space for me. You shouldn't work backwards and try to move. So, okay, again. So please let me know. Oh, and there will be some outtakes. I'm sorry for that, but it's early a little bit. I have no watch. A blue one? A blue feather? I hope you didn't see that one all the time. How?